Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Google Play account and ensuring the device meets minimum specs. This avoids later permission loops. Once done, clear 200-500 MB of storage and check Android version. Carx Street needs modern APIs. Next, reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network and temporarily disable VPN or region blockers so the Play Store shows the correct regional listing. These steps remove common immediate barriers and let the download process begin cleanly. If the download stalls or installation fails, force stop the Play Store and clear both cache and storage to reset app state. Then update Google Play Services and Android System WebView because those components manage installs and in-app downloads. Outdated versions cause signature or parsing errors. Once updated, retry the download while watching the progress percentage and ensure battery or data saver modes aren't restricting background activity. Make sure installation permissions for unknown sources are not improperly set. After installation, open Carx Street and accept required permissions so the launcher can fetch assets. This completes the setup. If the game keeps failing to load assets, reboot the device to clear temp locks, then confirm you have adequate free space and that asset files downloaded fully. If problems persist, remove and re-add your Google account to refresh Play Store entitlements. Or, as a last resort sideload, the official APK only from a trusted source and verify checksums. Tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.